Hello and welcome to this presentation from the Urban Penguin. My name is Andrew Mallett and today you can learn really quickly within 60 seconds of how you can quickly navigate on the command line. We're going to be taking a look at our Option B and Control W's. Come on, let's find a command line. And welcome to our Pixel Playground, a playground where we can learn to use the command line quickly and efficiently. Let's begin by using the systemctl command and just take a look at the status of our cron daemon. Now with this, of course, we're looking at the status, but we very often might want to run a different command like restart, or for me, to save gaining administrative privileges, I'll just look at the cat subcommand. So I can up arrow key, and then we can go through and use the Alt and B command to move backwards one word, and then Control and W to delete the previous word, which I can now go through and replace with the cat subcommand. Again, I can clear the screen, up arrow key, Alt and B to move backwards one word, Control and W to replace the word, and I can type then status. And as you can now see, hopefully this was the best 60 seconds of learning you've had.
All that is left to say is thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this, then you are probably sadder than I first thought. For more of this drivel, please subscribe, like and comment to @the Urban Penguin.